Want to create a Credit Karma account without using a credit card? Here's how. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today I'll show you how to sign up for Credit Karma quickly and safely without needing a credit card. Step 1. Go to creditkarma.com or download the Credit Karma app on your phone. Step 2. Click on Sign Up or Create Account. Step 3. Enter your full name, email address, and create a secure password. Step 4. Provide your date of birth, social security number, and address for identity verification. No credit card required. Step 5. Agree to the terms and conditions, then submit your information. Step 6. You'll receive a confirmation email. Click the link to activate your account. Step 7. Log in and start monitoring your credit score and reports for free. Quick tip, make sure to enter accurate personal info to avoid delays in verification. Found this useful? Like, comment, and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more simple finance tips. Thanks for watching.